pare.
This is my island, Bonsai Island.
This is your bahay.
And this is my house,
Okay.
Bonsai Garden.
Ah, you're the owner.
I'm the owner of this place.
Hello, hello. This side. Hello, hello. Every summer here in the Philippines, there's a lot of vendors selling this.
Selling hello.
Hello. You mix.
What's in there? Candy or jelly?
Those the jelly.
Oh, jelly.
Look, there's a banana.
Ah.
And then masarap.
Hello.
Hello.
Kids need help to catch a one-eyed rope. Give them the newest.
What? Okay na.
I'm trying to think what it tastes like.
Settle.
Like Jollibee candies. Pulutan.
Yes, that's pulutan. It's compared to Alfonso.
Okay, pulutan. Wow.
Good. Joy.
Good. Don't look down. I'm looking down. Ooh. You made it. We're ready for the hurricane.
Thank you, Kategi. Thank you,
Careful. I was just coming up to check the zip line. See what it looks like. Woo. Too much lockout today. I'll get y'all the view. To the zip line. Let's see what that looks like. Oh my goodness. Look at these stairs. I'm gonna count this towards my 2026 step goal. Cause I done put in enough this year, so it's gonna count towards my 2026 January steps. Either way, it looks bad for me because I don't like heights. But it doesn't look as bad up here. But I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. But it's a nice view. Look at that view. Swing on down to the bungalow down there. We're gonna continue up this way. Okay.
Oh, see my God!
It's too late, baby, now it's too late. No turning back.
Teresa!
Enjoy.
Walang decision. Just me, oh my God. HeyHawsy!
What?
What's happening?
Yeah. Putahin naman. Putahin naman. Putahin naman. Putahin naman.
Another stair?
Yes.
Another one.
I'm making sure you take your kapoy on the way home. You did it.
You're up there, the whole stairs.
See, now you want to zip line. Putahin naman. Putahin naman. Putahin naman. Merry Christmas. It's the final countdown. Hi, Joey. How was it? Nice. You survived.
Yeah, I survived.
No final destination. Mayor.
That's Mayor. Mayor's Polo.
I said I'd make them kapoy on the way home.